Kumunan.
Ang ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng...
Hi, Rose.
Hi! Hi,
Saan ka?
I'm here right now at Books and Brews. You guys come in. Oh, their food is really good.
What you have?
I got a chicken strips and then this one. This is the best.
What's the name?
It's a pumpkin cider.
Okay, pumpkin
It's really
cider.
good. And then, oh, just a minute. This one is a cheese ball. And then, with this is homemade dip sauce.
Dip sauce by who?
By Lyra.
Alright.
Lyra made it. So, come in and try the food.
Alright. Good job. Hi, Craig.
Hi everybody. Hello.
Hi, honey. Hi, Dave.
Hey there.
We're visiting on Dave and Lyra's new
Restaurant.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay? New restaurant here at they called Books and Brews. So you guys need to come here and
Stop by.
stop by and check it out.
Check it out.
There you go. There's the owner right there, the two. Right there. So you're gonna stop by here and get something that you eat and look around. So here, how about you, Josh? How's the food?
Have everything.
Yeah.
You guys come here and you can try everything. Bogo, oh.
Yeah. Right there. So this is what their place.
Ito.
Look. There.
This is what I order.
That was what you should order.
Of course, I can't live without bones. So
Yeah, she
I
like
have
bone.
chicken wings,
You got chicken wings.
crispy chicken wings.
I promise, guys, I don't really like some of the food, but this one, oh my god, it's really good.
The best sauce right here. Made
Yeah.
by Lyra. Lyra.
See, that's the place. That's the place. That's the place over here. There. 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 I have over here. Okay, we're gonna eat now and idan ko na floor.
Head over.
Bye bye.